Now that you've done all your prep work, you are ready for step 2 of our 3-step system, Protect It. It's time to apply Rescue It Max Resurfacer, and remember, 2 coats are required. Before you get started, double-check the weather forecast so you can complete the project without interruption. You need a few nice dry days in a row. This means no rain in the forecast for the duration of the project, and for at least 24 hours after each coat. Also, the temperature should be between 50 and 90 degrees both day and night. The surface is now thoroughly clean and should also be completely dry before you apply the first coat of Rescue It Max Resurfacer. To make sure, test for condensation and the presence of moisture. It's a very simple test that will let you know if the surface is completely dry. First, tape an 18 by 18 inch square of clear plastic sheeting to the concrete surface on all 4 sides. Avoid doing this in direct sunlight so you can get an accurate test. Check your watch, and if after 16 hours any condensation is found under the plastic, or if the surface is visibly darkened, then the surface is still too wet. As you might expect, cold weather and temperature swings may affect the test, but the indication of obvious moisture is a problem. If the plastic sheeting is dry, then you're ready to begin applying the first coat. Thoroughly stir the product, then pour a generous amount into the roller tray. Keep in mind to stir the product often throughout the process. Before you use the roller, take a brush and cut in around the edges of the entire concrete surface using the same short dabbing stroke. Then dab Rescue It Max Resurfacer into any remaining cracks and crevices until they are filled. When you're ready, use a 1/2 inch nap roller and fully saturate it with the coating by rolling back and forth in the tray. Make sure you use slight pressure to evenly spread out the product on the concrete surface. If you want a smoother appearance, you can also lightly backbrush after rolling on the coating. Check your watch or set an alarm and allow a minimum of 6 hours for the first coat to dry. Drying times will vary depending on weather and the condition of the surface. In our next video, we'll move on to applying the second coat.